Launch Day is a student entrepreneurship event. It's a 9-hour challenge. So over 9 hours, students have the opportunity to start with an idea and then have the opportunity to test, review, validate, somehow start building, and finally they get to pitch to a whole audience. The process today is really to help students discover what entrepreneurship is all about. There are ways to start entrepreneurship really smartly, in a way that makes it very low cost, very efficient in terms of times, and that's what we're aiming for. So Launch Day, the goal is really that discovery part, so putting the students with ideas and resources all together and wrapping it up in an exciting event that hopefully is going to just kind of ignite that entrepreneurial fire for them.
My experience here today was absolutely amazing. I never really knew how to develop my own business. One day I would hope to be my own boss and have the autonomy that provides. So this really taught me how the process really looks like. And let me tell you, it's very extensive. I'm sure among all of us, we had a bunch of coffee and tea just trying to get ourselves boosted throughout the day. But one of the biggest things I think I learned was stepping out of my comfort zone and going through the campus here at Canton, talking to random students that are probably on their way to class and trying to get our point across within the few words possible. The students here at SUNY Canton were absolutely so nice. And they were great to speak with, super friendly. So it made the process a lot easier for us. So me personally, I was super nervous. I don't know any of them, so it was a great crowd and really looking forward to presentations.
I'm a fully asynchronous online student who was invited from our college at SUNY Canton to attend Launch Day alongside other participants from collaborating universities. I'm looking forward to this event to obtain a broader understanding of the fundamentals of entrepreneurship and gain hands-on experience in actually developing an entrepreneurial project and then delving into the multifaceted components of what that entails. This project is a project which I actually have been developing. It's called Educatum Veritas, the future now. And it's an educational or academic consulting firm that specializes in connecting students who have been the victims of bullying or are physically challenged in accessing their educational institutions to connect them to their right educational pathway. I would like to extend my heartfelt thank you to the organizers of the Launch Day event for making this possible. And I have been looking forward to this since it was announced, and I'm very grateful to have been selected for this exclusive event. So thank you very much for this opportunity.
I think the most exciting part of this project is my group and I actually run a student coffee shop at Clarkson now, and to bring this idea to life, we've been talking about this for months now. So this was really exciting to build on this idea and execute it. It's been a great learning experience. At Clarkson, we offer a first-year business class, which is essentially this class, or this today, pretty much. Spanned out over the course of 15 weeks. And I've said since that class that I've taken, I wish I could do it again after everything I've learned over the course of 3 years. So I wanted to come back today and execute what I've learned at Clarkson. So that was really fun. I would say that if you're considering this next year, I would definitely recommend it. You learn a lot of valuable things that you wouldn't essentially learn in a classroom, and to be able to execute an idea that you come up with is really valuable.
Entrepreneurs are people who learn how to solve problems. So this means that if you develop that entrepreneurial mindset, all of a sudden you are more capable, you have more abilities. If someone tells you no, you ask why not, and then you dig further and you try to come up with a better solution. But it just broadens your skills, your mindset, your capabilities, and obviously with all of that, it broadens your opportunities.